Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. Today is Tuesday, and the date is the 9th of February 2021. So, today we're talking about minerals. We watched a video before we start recording. So, please, guys, I just want to ask you, what did you learn from this video? Please raise up your hand and let me see. What did you learn from the video? Let's start with Jenna. What did you learn?
About minerals.
Excellent. What do you know about minerals? They are made of what?
Elements.
Excellent. They are made of elements. Okay, elements make minerals, and minerals together, what do they make?
A rock.
Very good, very good. Excellent. Okay, Tala, what do you know? What else do you know? Or what else did you learn from the video?
That when the elements form minerals, the minerals form the rock by high pressure and really high temperature.
Excellent, excellent, very good. Now, Amal, where can we find minerals and rocks? Where can we find minerals? Where? If they need high temperature and high pressure, where can you find really high temperature and high pressure?
Miss me, I know.
Yes, Judy.
Underground.
Underground, very good, underground. So people go mining, or scientists, they go mining, finding rocks underground. They go dig deep to find different minerals or different rocks. Okay, girls, so let me start explaining to you what are minerals. Different minerals and different types of rocks, they have different properties. But first, let me tell you that they have different shape. They don't have the same shape. First of all, minerals are made of non-living thing, non-living solid. We call it crystal form. They always come in a crystal form. You know the crystal? It looks like a crystal, okay? Definitely it's all come from the nature. People does not make that. People, they can make plastic and bricks, but they cannot make minerals. Plastic and bricks, they are not minerals. Minerals means like diamonds, rubies, what else? Who knows? Who knows what else? Give me another type of minerals.
Ruby,
Gold.
diamonds, jewels, gems.
Yes, very good, very good.
And a lot more.
So under the ground, in caves, and even in air, okay, you can find some minerals sometimes. They have different shape. They are not the same shape. Some of them are square pyramid, or square prism, or hexagonal prism. Now, these are different elements over here and different shape. I want you to match each one of them with the correct shape. Which one has a square pyramid?
The fluorite.
Excellent, the fluorite. Fluorite has a square pyramid. What about a square prism?
It's like the pyrite.
Pyrite, excellent. The pyrite, very good. And a hexagonal prism is a barrel. A barrel Yes, all these are kinds of minerals. These minerals, people dig in under the ground or in caves to find them, and all of them, they have the shape of crystal. They are naturally found in nature, but they are made of non-living things. What they are made of? Non-living thing. Elements together, when elements join together in high pressure and very high temperature, they make these minerals. Some elements are like calcium, carbon, and oxygen. So if we want to know an example, let's see the mineral calcite. There is a mineral called calcite. It is always made of what? Elements like calcium, carbon, and oxygen. What about rubies? Rubies are made of what? Aluminium and oxygen. See, all these are elements. We call it elements. Diamond, Jenna told us at the beginning of the class, diamonds are made of coal, and coal is made of carbon. See? So the most important element in diamond is carbon. So whenever you see a diamond, you can say that I know this diamond, what it is made of. It is made of carbon, okay? It needs high pressure and high temperature to be formed. Those minerals, they join together, they combine to form a shape, and they are repeated over and over again under high pressure and under high temperature. And then finally, they make the structure that define their crystal. So they are not only made once, they are made more than once, repeatedly. So these are different types of minerals. There is one scientist, they divided all the minerals into a scale. This scale, it depends on the property of this mineral. What is the most important property of these minerals to be on this scale? How hard they are or soft. So if they are on the number 1 scale, they are soft. But if they are on the number 10 scale, they are really hard. Okay, if they are in number 1, they are can be easily scratched. You even can scratch them when with your own nail. Okay, with your fingers, you can scratch them with your fingers, and when you touch it or rub it very hard with your hand, with your bare hand, they can make dust. This is how soft some rocks can be. We call it a talc. This scientist, his name is, let's see the name of the scientist. Okay, Friedrich Moos. This is Friedrich Moos. Friedrich Moos developed a scale to compare the hardness of different minerals. So we call the scale the Mohs scale on his name, on the one who created the scale, okay? This is how hard something is. Okay, I want you to give me on the scale number 6, an example of a mineral that scores 6 on the Mohs scale. What do I call the rock?
Feldspar?
Yes, excellent. It is feldspar. It is on the number 6. What does it mean on the number 6? Is it too hard or too soft or medium?
Medium?
Yes, we consider it as medium and not. Okay, can you describe the color? How did it get its own color?
Like brown?
Brownish or a little bit
white.
Yes, white and pink. Okay, how did it get its color? From where?
Rocks?
Okay, of course, it is a rock. But because it's made from what? Different what?
Minerals?
minerals and different. What makes different minerals?
Elements.
Excellent. Different elements. When they join together and they go under pressure and under temperature repeatedly over and over again, they can change color, change texture, change all these properties. That's why they become very unique and different. Each one of them, look at these rocks, each one of them are very different and unique, but they agree on one thing. They have a crystal shape. All of them, they have a crystal shape. Okay, there's another property used over here to tell one mineral from another. We call it luster. What is luster? Luster describes how minerals reflect light. So they are going to hold these minerals and they will see how they can reflect light. This property, they call it luster. What do they call it?
Luster.
Yes, you can underline the word luster. So it describes how minerals reflect light, and these minerals like copper, gold, and silver each have a metallic luster. What do I mean by metallic luster? Can you see? This is a metallic luster. It is shiny. What do I mean by metallic, girls? I mean it is shiny. Look. So copper, gold, and silver, they are what? Metallic luster. There is some glassy luster. Guys, are you here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So glassy luster, they can shine really bright over here and they look very crystal shaped. Over here, there's an earthy luster. Earthy luster can be described using words such as metallic, earthy, and glassy. So the three of them. Okay, girls. So diamonds, we can scratch minerals with a hardness of 2 or less with a fingernail. So if it's this one, the talc or the gypsum, we can what? Scratch them using what? Our nails, all right? But you can scratch minerals with a hardness of 6 or less with a steel nail. So you need a steel nail to scratch them. What about a diamond? How can we scratch a diamond? Do you know, or have you ever heard scratching a diamond, how they can scratch a diamond?
No.
Scratching a diamond is not really easy. They need something really hard to scratch a diamond, maybe another diamond, because it's really hard. Very, very, very hard and not really easy. So, we learned the properties of minerals and we learned the types of minerals and rocks. Do you have any question about them?
No.
No. No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So everything is clear?
Yes.
Very good, very good. Okay, we will stop here today. Tomorrow we will continue and we will do the summit up together. Okay, girls, enjoy your day and have a great
Bye.
classes. Bye-bye, girls. Bye.
Bye.